Namaskar, Khusro Bitya. Myself, JVN Dr. Pramila Kajla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry from Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University. Today, our topic is Tract of Spinal Cord Part 2. So, in previous online classes, we have already discussed about the different tract, and remaining we will continue now. Dorsal spinocerebellar tract. Dorsal spinocerebellar tract is otherwise called falsic tract, direct spinocerebellar tract, or posterior spinocerebellar tract. Like the ventral spinocerebellar tract, this tract is also constituted by the second order neuron fiber of pathway for subconscious kinesthetic sensation. The first order neuron are in the posterior nerve root ganglia, but the fiber of this tract are uncrossed. Situation. Dorsal spinocerebellar tract is situated in the lateral column along the posterior lateral periphery of spinal cord. It is situated posterior to ventral cerebellar tract and anterior to anterior-posterior nerve root origin. Fiber of this tract originate from the dorsal nucleus of Clark situated in posterior gray matter of spinal cord. Termination. Fiber of this tract and in the cortex of anterior lobe of cerebellum along with ventral spinocerebellar tract function. Along with ventral spinocerebellar tract, the dorsal spinocerebellar tract carries the impulse of subconscious kinesthetic sensation, which are known as non-sensory impulses. In this diagram, you can see dorsal spinocerebellar tract and ventral spinocerebellar tract. Spinotactal tract. Spinotactal tract is considered as a component of anterior spinothalamic tract. It is constituted by the fiber of second order neuron. Situation. Spinotactal tract occupies the lateral side of lateral white column and anterior to lateral spinothalamic tract. It is bound anteriorly by anterior nerve root. Origin. Fiber of this tract originate from the chief sensory nucleus. Termination. Fiber of spinotactal tract and in superior colliculus of tactum in midbrain. Function. Spinotactal tract is concerned with spinovisual reflex. Fasciculus dorsolateralis. Fasciculus dorsolateralism, otherwise called tract of Lesov. It is considered as a component of lateral spinothalamic tract and is constituted by the fiber of first order neuron. Situation. Lesore tract is situated in the lateral white column between the periphery of spinal cord and tip of posterior gray horn. Origin. Lesore tract is formed by fiber rising from cells of posterior root ganglia. Function. Fiber of the dorsolateral fasciculus carry impulse of pain and thermal sensation. Spinoreticular tract. Spinoreticular tract is formed by the fiber of second order neuron. Situation. Spinoreticular tract is situated in the anterolateral white column. Origin. Fiber of this tract arise from intermediolaterals nucleus. Function. Fiber of the spinoreticular tract are the component of ascending reticular activating system and are concerned with consciousness and awareness. Spino-olivary tract. Spino-olivary tract is situated in anterolateral part of white column. Origin of the fiber of this tract is not specific. However, the fiber terminates in olivary nucleus of medulla oblongata. From here, the neuron project into cerebellum. This tract is concerned with proprioception. Spino-vestibular tract. Spino-vestibular tract is situated in the lateral white column of spinal cord. Fiber of this tract arise from all segments of spinal cord and terminate on the lateral vestibular nucleus. This tract is also concerned with proprioception. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.